All right, you're on.
All right, this video is dedicated
You can't
to Bill. Because you should be here with me right now.
This is the Heli Flight Center flying field.
Heli Flight Center flying field. The water side.
Take one. We're over to Long Island Sound. So calm, it looks like glass. The reflection looks so cool.
Oh, we almost lost it. Alright, we're coming down.
You're like over that little island. Oh, yeah, I could tell when it's getting close because I see the reflection getting closer to the actual plane. Oh, I see the ripple. Bring it in closer when you do it, Frank, so if something goes wrong, we could grab it. You know, like try to do it right at the edge of the rocks.
Trying to set it up.
Oh, that looks cool. Let me be quiet so I don't sound like a dweeb. Nice. These propellers are making ripples, man. Nice. That was awesome. I can't believe how calm it is over the water right now. Easter Sunday. Thought I'd throw it in there. The Holy Grail! That was cool, man. It didn't slow you down, did it?
No. I was in and out too fast.
Don't get too brave. Just make sure you're close if you're gonna do things like that. I don't think I can reach out there. Nice. I love seeing those ripples. Zoom a little bit on you. Kind of wide now.
No one's figured out how we're gonna land yet, but we'll think about that in about another minute.
That's what we got, a minute left?
No, we're over right now. I started the radio before. Still got some power. Nope. Not that time. We may have to try to consider a landing. You may want to get this on video.
Back up a little bit. Oh, okay. Come around. Yeah.
A little
The approach. Yeah. Watch you don't fall.
almost went down.
Oh!
Right into a rock.
Damn. Is that all right?
It's down. Of all.
Hey, no, one little fucking rock. All right, signing off.